following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect through Thursday evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? A portion of east central Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton. When? Through Thursday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details: rainfall totals of 1.5 to 2.0 inches are forecast across the watch area tonight and Thursday, with the heaviest rainfall expected during the evening and overnight hours tonight. Some areas may see locally higher totals near 3.0 inches. Soils remain saturated due to recent rainfall events, and river stream flows remain elevated, especially in the Passaic Basin. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.